Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you make an auto-click macro for Logitech G502 mouse. In order to create an auto-click macro for Logitech G502 using G HUB, you'll need to open the software, go to the key bindings or macro sections. What you have to do is, first of all, I'll list out the steps. Make sure you have a Logitech G HUB installed and your G502 is connected. Next thing, you want to launch the G HUB software and navigate to your G502 profile. When you do it then you have to go to the key bindings or macro tab within the G HUB. After which, click the start recording button and then press the button on your mouse that you want to use for an auto click. Right after that, you want to click the button that you want to use for auto click once again, then press the stop recording button. As you have done it set the repeat option to while pressed to make the macro run continuously while the button is held down. Adjust the delay between clicks in milliseconds to control the auto click speed and go ahead and save the macro. Now then, you need to drag macro from the list of desired buttons on your G502. Then you simply want to go ahead and test the macro by holding down the button you assigned it to. And if the auto click speed is not idle, adjust the delay within the macro settings. And this way you'll be able to make an auto click macro for Logitech G HUB G502 mouse. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.